always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, kind of a unique start to the day. We're expecting the heat and humidity, and that's still on tap for this afternoon. It's been delayed by a few hours, though, because of some fog that's been hanging around this morning. That's evidenced here at the Gerald R. Ford Airport. We are seeing a very tropical-like air mass in place, and with dew points up into the mid to upper 70s. Yeah, it didn't take much for us to get that fog development this morning, and we're seeing that, especially here in Muskegon. A live view from our tower cam shows that fog is still in place out along the lakeshore, too. Watch this on satellite, though. You can see some clearing is taking place very quickly, spreading from southwest to northeast. And as that continues, once we break out into the sunshine, it's game over. It's going to be hot and humid in a hurry. So we're still expecting that by mid to late afternoon, most locations will see a heat index value in the upper 90s to low 100s. Especially south of I-96. 77 now in Grand Rapids, 83 in Allegan, 80 in Holland, 87 in South Haven, 89 in Benton Harbor. Those are the spots that have broken out into sunshine. And again, we'll be experiencing that later on as well. Dew points, boy, are they still elevated in the mid to upper 70s. 80 degrees in Benton Harbor, extraordinarily humid. And that's going to provide the fuel for some potential thunderstorms later today as well. First, let's show you the excessive heat warnings in place across much of the central U.S., the entire state of Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, and Indiana under an excessive heat warning. Here at home, we have a heat advisory for areas along and south of I-94 as well as over toward Lansing, and an excessive heat warning for the counties bordering Indiana. Here's a glimpse at heat index values this afternoon. This is 2 o'clock, maybe a bit after this, but regardless, this afternoon we do expect those values to climb into the upper 90s to low 100s, mid 90s north of I-96, and of course the lakeshore will be a touch cooler. Storm Track Live shows a few sprinkles in place across parts of eastern Kent County, now moving into northern Ionia County toward the Belding area. Check out the rainfall. This is from early this morning. Some reports of over 5 inches of rain in Monroe County, Wayne County. They had a flash flood warning there, and flooding problems are still ongoing. Well, I'll show you a future cast here at home. So we head through the afternoon, we're mostly dry. You can kind of notice a boundary setting up here along I-96, and that may be the initiation for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Anytime between 5 p.m. and midnight, more likely than not firing up mid-evening, continuing through the first part of the overnight. Now, a few of these storms could be strong to severe. Storm Prediction Center has us in a slight risk and has areas south of Grand Rapids highlighted in the potential for seeing wind gusts near or above 70 miles per hour. So we're going to have to watch that potential. We call the threat conditional, where if we can get the showers and storms to pop up, they'll be severe. But if we don't even get them to pop up, obviously we'll miss out on the severe weather. After that, humidity starts to drop into the day tomorrow. Temperatures will certainly be cooler, down into the mid-80s for tomorrow. And after that, a prolonged stretch of 70s in store for us with more pleasant, quiet weather. So we got one more active day, Tom, and then things quiet down.
I mean, it's just no other way of putting it out, though, at least in the Grand Rapids area. It's just gross out.
It's gross. Not going to be a very fun night for Football Frenzy, but
No.
next Thursday's looking a little cooler.
I know, you were saying the low is maybe in the 40s.
Yeah,
we're going to go from
what
one
a difference
extreme.
a week can
I
make.
know, going to have to get the hand warmers out.
That's right.
Thanks, Blake.
Yep.